Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with the LOC update. Before I get into the LOCs, if you're watching this on Sunday, March 6th, it's my birthday! Yay! Happy birthday to me. If you are so kind and want to show me some birthday love, drop a comment below and check out KeishaCharmaine.com. The Rose Water Moisturizer has just been restocked, so get yourself a bottle. And of course, the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil is always a favorite, and that's always in stock. Wow, at this point, I am 11 years and 10 months locked. For those of you who like to count the months, I believe that's 142 months. Fact check me, because I can't count, so fact check me down below in the comments if that's good math, all right? I haven't done anything too different this year. I'm still loyal to my products. I haven't really done curls much, so let me get into this curl talk. It's time for curl talk. If you saw my last video, I did a lock knot tutorial. I kept those lock knots in for about 5 days, but then I got a really bad headache, and I thought it was because of the hair. I took the knots down, the headache was still there, so I played myself a little bit. The headache remained for another 3 days. I don't know what was wrong with me. Sometimes, life hits you hard. I had bad headache for days, but I made it through. I only kept my lock knots in for 5 days, but at least I got the curls. And that's my first love, my true love. And now it's been about a week and a day, and my curls are still very much intact. You see some of them are a little stringy, but that comes with the territory. I never expect 100% uniformity when it comes to locks, so there's that. But they're still very much bouncy. As you know, my locks are past my butt, and here they are at my waist in these curls, so I'm happy about that. They look really good. But to keep up with the tradition of my length check for my lock update videos, I have my trusty measuring tape, and I'll be measuring my locks throughout my head. I believe that I have about 36, 37 inches of locks. I typically say 40 because it sounds good, but I'm pretty sure I don't have 40 inches. I know I don't have 40 inches yet, because I believe last year my length check video, I believe I averaged about 34, 35 inches. So now probably maybe 36, 37, because I know I did some trimming, not a lot, but I did some trimming. And with the shrinkage that comes with locks, you do lose a little bit of length. So there's that. So I'm gonna get to measuring some locks throughout my head. I wanna just grab a lock that maybe wasn't ever trimmed. Not that I can confirm that completely. See, this end is fuzzy. This tells me that it was trimmed or ripped. So I'm not gonna do that one. This lock, inconclusive, but I'm gonna measure it anyway. And if you see me looking this way, it's because there's a mirror to help me measure. Okay, this one is about 36. 36. You guys probably can't see that. But it's 36. In the back, let me do one in the middle. Let me feel for one that's a little straighter. I'll go with this one. Okay, here we go. This one is 36 3/4. 36 3/4. So that's almost 37. That's where we're at this year. So let's see if next year I can get another 2 inches. That's my goal, to get 2 inches. So check back with me next year and see if I made it work. Stay tuned to my channel to see what I'm gonna do to speed up my hair growth to get to 39 inches of locks. Thank you so much for watching. Happy birthday to me again. And remember, you can always shop for your LOC products. your infinity head wraps, your satin lined hats, your satin pillowcases, etc. All in my shop, KeishaCharmaine.com. Leave a comment below. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.